Good morning, students. I hope you all are in good health. Welcome to class 6. Now, from class 6 onwards, NCRT books will be followed. I hope all of you have got your books. So, children, till now, you have studied social studies, but from class 6 onwards, you will study social science, and social science is divided into three parts: history, civics, and geography. As you all know, history and civics will be taken by Preeti ma'am, and I am Priya Gupta, and I will be uploading videos for class 6 geography. So this is how your geography book looks like. The name of your book is The Earth, Our Habitat. So children, now I would like to tell you about what is geography. So children, geography is derived from Greek word geo, which means the earth, and graphia, which means writing. So the term geography means writing about the earth. So in geography, we will study about earth and its different features. Now, in total, we have 8 lessons in geography, and the first lesson is the Earth in the solar system. Now, in this lesson, we are going to learn about the sun, the 8 planets, the moon, asteroids, and meteoroids. So, let us study this lesson. Now, you all will also underline the important lines which I have underlined in this slide. So, please underline the important lines. Now, let us start reading the first lesson. How wonderful it is to watch the sky after sunset. One would first notice one or two bright dots shining in the sky. Soon, you would notice the number increasing. You cannot count them anymore. The whole sky is filled with tiny shining objects. Some are bright, others dim. It seems as if the sky is studded with diamonds. They all appear to be twinkling. But if you look at them carefully, you will notice that some of them do not twinkle as others do. They simply glow without any flicker, just as the moon shines. So, children, all of you must have seen the sky after sunset. Firstly, we will see one or two stars in the sky, but slowly and slowly, the whole sky is filled with many stars. Some stars twinkle, whereas others simply glow or shine like a moon. Now, look at the second paragraph. Along with these bright objects, you may also see the moon on most of the days. It may, however, appear at different times, in different shapes, and at different positions. You can see the full moon once in about 1 month time. It is full moon night or Purnima. A fortnight later, you cannot see it at all. It's a new moon night or Amavasya. On this day, you can watch the night sky best provided it is a clear night. So, children, now along with stars, we also see moon in the sky. But the moon is visible to us at different times, in different shapes, and at different positions. That means sometimes the moon can be seen early in the sky and sometimes it is late. The moon also changes its shapes and positions. Now, sometimes at night we see a full white moon in the sky. That is known as full moon night or Purnima. And a fortnight later, fortnight means after 14 days. So, after 14 days, we do not see the moon in the sky. It is known as Amavasya or new moon night. So, when we see the full white moon, it is known as full moon night or Purnima. And when we do not see the moon in the sky, it is known as Amavasya or the new moon night. Now, children, on Amavasya, you can see the night sky very clearly, provided it's a clear night. Clear night means that there should not be any clouds in the sky. Then you can watch the night sky in the best way. Now, let us look at the next paragraph. Do you wonder why can't we see the moon and all those bright tiny objects during the daytime? It is because the very bright light of the sun does not allow us to see all these bright objects of the night sky. So, children, you must be wondering why can't we see the moon and stars during the daytime? Now, it is because of the bright light of the sun. The sun shines so brightly that all other objects are not visible during the daytime. The moon and stars are visible during the night time. Now, the sun, the moon, and all those objects shining in the night sky are called celestial bodies. Some celestial bodies are very big and hot. They are made up of gases. They have their own heat and light which they emit in large amounts. These celestial bodies are called stars. The sun is a star. Now, children, what are celestial bodies? How will you define celestial bodies? So, celestial bodies are also known as heavenly bodies. So, celestial bodies are also known as heavenly bodies, and these are objects that are found outside the Earth's atmosphere. Means we will find such objects in the space. And objects like sun, moon, planets, and stars, all these are celestial bodies. So, the definition of celestial bodies is given in your book. You have to memorize it. The sun, the moon, and all those shining objects in the night sky are known as celestial bodies. Now, how will you define the stars? So, children, what is a star? Star is a celestial body that is very big. So, stars are very big and hot. Stars are made up of gases and they have their own heat and light. And children, the sun is also a star. So, all these definitions you are going to learn. Now, countless twinkling stars in the night sky are similar to the sun, but we do not feel their heat or light, and they look so tiny because they are very, very far away from us. You must have noticed that all objects look smaller when seen from a distance. How small an aeroplane looks when it is flying at a great height. So, children, the stars are similar to the sun. All the stars that you see in the night sky are similar to the sun because sun is also a kind of star. But we do not feel the heat and light of other stars because they are very, very far away from us. We feel the heat and light of sun because sun is relatively closer or it is relatively nearer to the earth. That is why we feel the heat and light of sun, but we do not feel the heat and light of other stars. Now, children, I am sure you must have seen an aeroplane when it is flying at a great height. It looks so small. When the aeroplane is at great height, it looks very small. But in reality, when we see it closely, it is so big. The same happens with the stars also. They look so small because they are very, very far away from us. So, children, today we have learned about Purnima, which is also known as full moon night, Amavasya, which is also known as new moon night. Then we studied about celestial bodies, and we also studied about stars. So today we will study till here only. I hope all of you have understood today's topic. Now, revise the portion that is taught today. Do learn the definition of celestial body and stars, and I will see you in the next session. Thank you, children.